How to solve Toshiba AC blinking light problem. To fix a blinking light on a Toshiba AC, first, try resetting the unit by unplugging it for a few minutes or turning off the isolator switch. Next, clean or replace the air filter and ensure the air inlets and outlets are not blocked by debris. If these steps don't work, the blinking light may indicate a specific error, a dirty filter, or an electrical issue, requiring a professional technician to diagnose and repair the unit, as self-repairing electrical problems can be dangerous. Reset the air conditioner. Turn off the power to the unit for a few minutes and then turn it back on. This may reset any minor glitches or temporary error codes. Clean the air filter. A dirty or clogged air filter can cause the unit to overheat and trigger the blinking light. Clean or replace the filter as needed. Check for blockages. Make sure there are no obstructions blocking the air inlets and outlets of both the indoor and outdoor units. Check the thermostat. Ensure the thermostat is set correctly and the unit is actually turned on. When to call a professional. Persistent blinking. If the blinking light continues after trying the basic steps, it indicates a more serious problem. Electrical issues. The light could be a sign of a faulty wiring, a tripped circuit breaker, or a more complex electrical problem. Do not attempt to fix electrical issues yourself, as it can be dangerous. Internal component issues. The blinking light may also indicate a fault in internal components like the PCB, printed circuit board, or compressor. Error code. In some cases, the blinking pattern is a specific error code. While you can try to consult your user manual for error codes, a technician is best equipped to interpret them and diagnose the exact fault.